Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shibin. Today in this video we are going to study about pipe sizing. This is the pipe sizing software actually. If we give the pipe size of in this column left side, it will give automatically what quantity of fluid can pass through this pipe. So which kind of pipe we are using, that we need to select it over here: PVC pipe or plastic pipe or steel pipe. Okay, schedule 40 pipe. Normally for chilled water and all, schedule 40 is using actually. For schedule 40, for example, fourth, okay, sorry, this 1 inch pipe, 5.6 gallon US gallon water can pass through this pipe. Okay, this is the velocity also, it will come over there. So this is very nice software actually for determine the pipe size. Okay, in my previous video also I explained about water supply loading unit, how to calculate water supply loading unit. In that I did not explain about pipe size. So for those solution, you can come over here, you can put your pipe size, you can select one by one. So how many gallons is there, you can see. And one more thing I will tell you, for converting this liter per second to gallon, you can multiply 28.5. 1 liter per second is there, 15.85 USG per minute. Okay, so this way you can calculate over there. If for example in my previous videos I said 1 liter per second water is requirement, means you need around 15.85 GPM. So we need to come over here. For example, here 12 GPM only coming over there. So we need at least okay, 1.5 inch pipe. So it will be 18 GPM. So this will be the sufficient water requirement. So this way you can determine the pipe size. All the pipes you can select over here. And for getting this software, you just put your email ID on this comment box. I will share the software to your email. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.